US dollar Swiss screaming longs today. Beautiful opportunity. So if we get an entry, that would look absolutely phenomenal. We aren't into the run as much. This will be the third day. And again, we can get better risk reward. We're going to get 1.95 to 1 back to this 20 EMA, which is another target that I have. So I think this could be a better opportunity if we do get some bullish momentum. Usually the entry would be on the 5-minute break back above, with the clearly rejecting the 1 hour 50 and usually the 4 hour 50. See on here, we closed nicely at the area that we wanted. It's not perfect. We still rejected the 0.382 fib, and we've got nice bullish momentum considering these 1, 2, 3, 4 hours of doji candles. So we're looking for the continuation to the upside. We are expecting the next DDP, so today, to be a bullish day. We're in a downward trend, but we are rejected these levels, and we're expecting today, that's the prediction, to be a bullish day. So yeah, we are live in this position. So update on the trade, guys. So we're moving slightly, again, very early into the trade. Nothing to really update you on, but slightly in profit. Okay, guys, we're approaching these highs now, so we have to be very careful because we are in a pullback move. This, like I said, this isn't a trend continuation, so these can reverse quick, so I have to be aware of my exit. The soft target is this 4 hour 50. This is where I always target my pullback moves because it's the optimum target for then the trend to continue. But however we react to this level, my main target is the daily 20 EMA, which gives me a 1.96 risk reward. So I have to see. Quick one, guys, if you're enjoying the video, all I ask is please like, comment and subscribe. Especially subscribe, help this video get out to more people, because we want to show the true real side, a real reality of someone trying to get funding and the real side of trading. I think 76% of people that watch these videos aren't subscribed, so it'd help me out a lot. Enjoy the video, let's get back to it. So as you can see, daily today is going to close bullish. We're up slightly, just under 1%. Okay guys, so it's just before London Open, nearly 8 o'clock. Moving again nicely in our favour. So 4 hour 50, like I said, is the soft target. So that is just here. So if we do get to the 4 hour 50, I will be looking for any reason to close. So I'll be going into the lower time frames, looking for a change of structure, a change of trend. And then if momentum continues, we've got the hard target at the daily 20. Okay, so if we break and close below this level, below the pivot, below the 5-minute low, which means we're breaking and closing below the 1 hour 50, I determine this trend to have changed back to the opposite side, which will be in favour of the overall trend. So that'll be my exit, so I'll exit just below, probably around break even on this trade. But if we can reject this level and continue to the upside, then we should head to target. Okay guys, so the 4 hours is closed, it's now 10 o'clock. 4 hours closed nicely above this high. Nice bullish candle as well. So again, it doesn't mean we're going to continue to our target, but it's looking strong. The probability is in our favor, but again, you never know what's going to happen. You have to be prepared for the worst. But it's looking okay at the minute, and we'll manage accordingly. Okay guys, we're approaching the first soft target. So like I said, as soon as we hit this, or if we hit this, I will scale into probably the 1 minute time frame and look for any reason to enter, a change of character, a change of trend. Okay guys, so what I've done, I've just closed 20% of the position and then moved stops to break even. Break even is where I'd go anyway, so my stops are protected at break even, but I've just took 20% off, so I've still got 80% running. And that way we've banked some profit, we've covered our risk, because again, this is a pullback move. This could reverse any time. You know, you're not going with the trend. If you're going with the trend, it's different. That's target literally hit, guys. Yeah, like I said, I've took 20% off. I'll be managing the rest of this 80% of this position. But yeah, so first soft target's hit. Okay, because we've hit target 1, what my plan is now is to see how these hourly candles close. If they close small and there's low volume and there's not as much momentum, or we can see that the momentum might be slowing down, that gives us a sign that we might be rejecting this 4 hour 50 and then the trend will continue towards the downside. But if these continue to remain quite large and we see that there's still bullish momentum in the market, we'll stay within the trade and see if we can push it to our main target, which was the daily 20 EMA. Okay guys, I've just moved my stop below the low on the 2 minute, I'll show you. Just moved my stop below this low because as you can see, we're getting closer to the hard target, but we've already surpassed our soft target, which is the main area where we usually reverse. So like I said, anytime we break structure on this 2 minute and the momentum starts shifting to the downside, I want to be out of it. So we'll still bank at least 1% on this trade, minimum, and then the main target will be 2%. So yeah, happy with that. Managed risk, banked 1%, trading my plan as I should. There we go, that stop lost there. I'm out the trade, banked around 1% on that position. Happy with the execution, happy with the management, and yeah, if there's any other trades, I'll let you guys know.
That's too big, isn't it? I've got this one as well though, man. Yeah, I like that.
Okay guys, so it's a fresh day, new day. Hopefully we can carry on this momentum. There's a good opportunity on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar for shorts. So it meets my plan. If we get that entry, I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so AUD New Zealand dollar looking really nice for a pullback move on the daily, trend continuation on the 1 hour. It's looking nice. An entry is very likely to happen, so if we get that, I'll show you. Okay, so we're looking at AUD New Zealand dollar. If we get a breakdown on this 15 minute, clear break below, I will look to enter. Okay guys, as you would have seen, I've entered this position. Short, for the last few hours it's just been ranging, so it's going to be interesting to see whether we break down on this 15 minute. Are we going to continue to break down, or are we going to go up and hit stop loss? Okay guys, the trade is still in play. It's just broken down on the 15 minute, which is nice. Doesn't mean it's going to hit target, but it's just a nice situation to be in. It's been consolidating. We've now broken close below the low, so hopefully the momentum continues in our direction. As you can see on this 15 minute, we've just been ranging all day, but now we've broken close below this low. So on the 1 hour, that looks like this. Hopefully we can get some momentum coming and start selling off into the direction that we want. So yeah, we'll see. It doesn't really matter the outcome. We're happy with the process of executing this trade. I'm not too focused on, obviously it's nice for it to win, but I don't care either way because my mindset is, did I stick to my plan? Yes. Am I going to manage it accordingly? Yes. So that's all I can really do, focus on the process, not the outcome. Hey guys, I just woke up this morning, obviously it's 10 to 6, just woke up, stopped out for negative 1%. Again, I knew the risks of this trade, still part of my plan, still happy with the setup. Did I manage my risk on the trade? Yes, only 1% lost. Offered decent enough risk reward, and that's the thing, you can't get emotional over losing. I mean, most people, they sit there, they take a couple of losses, they're never going to make it in this game because they can't handle losing. Losing's part of it, it's part of your plan, you've got to take it, and overall for the year, the edge will play out long term. Too many people on social media are not showing losses, and it's ruining people's idea about trading because they show, or they have a perception that they're never losing. The problem with that is people get into trading and are shocked when they have a loss, or when they have a loss they think, oh well, he must not know what he's doing. Every strategy, every system takes losses, it's just people aren't showing them. And I'm one of the only few people on YouTube that I see that's showing them week upon week live, not manipulating anything, not showing just winning trades or anything. I'm showing everything, this whole process, and people need to be more like this. People need to show the real true side about trading, because that's why there's such a negative stigma if people take losses. Oh, he doesn't know what he's doing, he can't trade. Losing is not a problem, it's not an issue. So long as it's part of your plan, as long as you understand the risks of the trade and you're risking money that you can afford to lose and you have good risk reward, you should be able to consistently produce good results. Most people that are doing prop firm challenges that you see, and they seem to be getting payouts within a week or 2 weeks, how many more do you see on their YouTube? Because if you think about it, if they were that good and getting payouts within a week of doing a challenge, they would be 6 months later, they'd be showing multiple payouts, but they don't. Because what they do is they take 10 challenges, they fail 8 of them or 9 of them, by going high risk. So they have 3 losses in a row, but they're risking excessive amounts. So they blow the account, blow the account, blow the account. But when they have that one time that they win, or the edge, they get a sequence of winners, they can pass the 10% target within 2 trades because they're risking ridiculous amounts per trade. And then they show you the payout, the one payout that they've got, but they're probably still down because the amount of money they've spent on challenges, blown it, but then passed one of them and then show the payout. It's just not that's not what trading is. They built their audience on that, and they built a following based on this idea that they're a perfect trader and they don't take losses, and that they're so good they can pass prop firm challenges in a day, or they can get payout within a week. That gets people to want to buy their course and be involved because they want to produce the same result. They have urgency, they want to get the same outcome. But it's a lie, it's manipulated. Which is why I wanted to be, real, honest, show everything. And I'm glad you guys, a lot of you have said you enjoy the transparency, you enjoy watching someone who is genuinely real, honest. And yeah, that's what I want to continue doing on this channel. So those 2 trades pretty much still at break even, slightly negative, but I mean, we're still negative 1.35%. I think last time we were negative 1.3%. So yeah, it's, had pretty much 1% winner and a 1% loser. So now I have to focus and think, okay, although that US dollar CAD was a great trade, US dollar Swiss was a great trade, and I like that perfect setup. Now, do I need to think, okay, I need to do at least 1 to 1.5's minimum? Do I need to think, okay, although it's 1%, you need to maybe go for 1.5 minimum risk reward. So that's what I might do moving forward. Won't execute trades unless I get a minimum of 1.3, 1.4 to 1, even at the soft target of like the worst case, because in that case my highest reward was 1.96, which is why I executed the trade, but the lowest reward was 1%. So it's still okay, you can still be profitable if you have a higher strike rate with 1-to-1s. But now, okay, do I need to think I need to allow my winners to run by having a bigger risk reward and then cap my losers at 1%, which is what I've been doing. So yeah, that's going to probably sum up for this video, guys. I hope you guys got value from the video and you enjoyed it. If you do, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It would help a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode, and hopefully we can continue passing this account and get out of drawdown and continue to look to pass, hit the target and pass phase 1. So yeah, thanks for the support, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next